Hey guys, I hope you can see I'm casting on my TV screen. I'm trying to do the best that I can because it's kind of difficult. This is my white schematics EQ that I used to tune my system here, you see. And I'm going to do some adjustments to the high end, the 16 kilohertz range, which is the tweeters. I just feel it's too much, it's popping too much, too snappy, too high. So I'm going to unlock the settings. And you see on the last where it says 12, see I'm bringing it up to 15, but I can bring it down. I'm going to put it at, I had it at 12, but I'm going to bring it down to 10 right there, you see. So you see this is my EQ. This is what I used to tune my system, see. And then you see this is my EQ. So I just made an adjustment to see how